Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to control a lamp using one gang, one-way switch. Either you are an electrician or not, you can watch and learn how the connection is being done. A lot of videos on YouTube here only do the connections without explaining, and in this very video, I'm going to explain all the things you need to know as an electrician or a person learning to be an electrician. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. This is my lamp. This is the lamp holder and the one gang, one-way switch. I also have my breaker here. What you see here is the wiring diagram of how the circuit is going to look when I'm done with all the connections. This is the phase or the live conductor. This is the neutral. And over here is the breaker, what I have here. This is the breaker, the C breaker. This is what we have here. We have the lamp over here. This is the one gang, one-way switch. So what I will do is to connect the neutral from the breaker, the downside here, to the lamp. And I'm going to use this cable. That is my neutral cable. Now, we have 3 terminals. Some of the lamp holders, they have only 2 terminals. That is the neutral and the switch wire, or the neutral and the live. You can connect to any of these, either the live here or here. It will still work, the live and neutral. So any of these 2 terminals, you can connect it to it. We have this terminal, that is the earth terminal. If you have earth in your circuit, you can connect the cable to this section. That is the earth. So anytime you see such a lamp holder, you have to be very careful when doing your connections. If you don't take care, you might connect your neutral to the earth, or you might mess up your cables. So whenever you are using such a lamp holder, you need to take extra care. So I'll just connect it to one that I want. Connect it to this side. This is the neutral from this side to the lamp holder, and the live, the face, from the down here to the common of the switch. This is one gang, one-way switch. We have only 2 terminals, the common and the L1. And the common is where you are supposed to connect your live wire to. This is the common. You insert it here and then you screw it from this side. And I'm using this cable for the live. To the common. This is the common. From the breaker, the down here to the common. So just now I've connected the live to the common, the C I have here. You have it here, the common. So anytime you are connecting your live wire to the switch, always connect it to the common. That is where you're supposed to connect your live wire. And the neutral must always be connected to the lamp holder. The neutral cable always supposed to connect it to the lamp holder, and the live to the switch. Now we are left with the L1. This line we have here, from here to the lamp holder, already we have connected a neutral. So this cable we have here, we call it switch wire. It is the cable that is going to turn on the lamp. The moment I connect this cable, the L1 over here, this is the L1. So the moment I connect the L1 to the lamp and turn on the switch, this bar we have here will come and link to this one. Please, if you haven't watched my video about electrical switches, please go and watch it. I'll also leave the link in the description down below. If you haven't watched that video, please kindly go and watch it for me. The moment I turn on this switch, this bar will go and link to the L1. Then the current will be transferred to the lamp. I'm going to use this cable for that. The L1. Guys, we have successfully connected all the components we need to connect in the circuit. So just now everything is intact. The moment I turn on the breaker, the current will flow from this side to this side, and the moment I turn on the switch, then it will be transferred from here to here and straight to the lamp. That is how a switch works. I'll just turn it on. Just now the current is at this section. Yes, the current is here. So the moment I turn on the switch, guys, just now our circuit is working perfectly. So guys, anytime you are doing such a connection, a lighting system connection, the only thing you have to bear in mind is that the neutral is always connected to the lamp and the live is always connected to the switch, like what I've done here. Anytime you are wiring up such a circuit, you need to do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.